Plumbing impacts human health and hygiene and our society at large. Good plumbing creates hygienic environment and keeps habitants healthy. This naturally puts the spotlight on the plumbing industry. Presenting India's largest exhibition of water, sanitation and plumbing products, Plumbex India 2025. A mega event that brings together the entire building industry into a single platform. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an established business owner, or a newcomer to the industry, Plumbex India 2025 has something for everyone. It is an incredible opportunity to grow your business, learn from the best, and connect with the leaders of the industry. Organized by the Indian Plumbing Association (IPA), India's only apex body which tirelessly works towards redefining plumbing standards, Plumbex India 2025 is your gateway to discover the latest products, technologies, and trends that are shaping the world of plumbing. Plumbex India connect the complete building and plumbing industry to interact and create business opportunities. This event also provides a platform for the Water Innovation Challenge startups to showcase their innovative products and technologies. After previous successful editions, the 2025 edition will be held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi from 24th to 26th April 2025. Plumbex provides a rare opportunity to meet and interact with business heads, leading professionals and decision makers. Plumbex India 2025 is the ideal platform to connect and network with industry experts. Top architects and interior designers associate with Plumbex India as speakers and panelists. All leading MEP consultants are brand ambassadors. Central ministers, state chief ministers, and high-ranking officials from government departments know the importance of Plumbex. Real estate developers across India make it a point to visit the Expo to know the latest in the industry. A large number of plumbing contractors, distributors and traders visit this exhibition. Decision makers of industry and stakeholders attend the concurrent sessions as delegates. Big numbers of the last edition at Mumbai testifies for the success of the event. 10,000 plus visitors, 25 plus industry partners, 150 plus B2B meetings, 125 plus exhibitors, 25 plus experts as speakers, 1 lakh plus square feet expo space. With multiple advantages, this event is much sought after by both the exhibitors and the participants. Year after year, Plumbex India continues to meet its target to provide professionals with a platform for growth, networking and inspiration. This event has the backing of the best industry partners and associations. The 2025 edition of Plumbex India brings you key people for the inaugural session, and experts across the globe will deliberate on upcoming technologies. Join us at the Plumbex India 2025 for business opportunities. Connect one-on-one with your prospects. Leverage from B2B meetings. Network with stakeholders. Showcase your products to the right target audience. Increase brand visibility. Generate quality leads. Get real-time feedback for continuous improvement. Register now and get ready to experience the industry's most anticipated event of the year.